Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. Today I want to show you a little bit about sleeping in the back of your Grenadier or honestly any overlanding vehicle. Really cool company on the market making mattresses is Hest. They are premium foam and semi-inflatable and foam mattresses. This is the one that we were able to work with them to get for our INEOS Grenadier, our shop vehicle we have here. In this vehicle we have a 60% and a 40% sleeping side. This one we think is going to work perfectly on that 60% side, especially if you're just sleeping one normal person. This one is their Hest Foamy Wide. So I'm going to do a little unboxing, show you how it fits. First thing first, you can see that it is a premium product. I mean, that is a good looking piece of fabric, to be honest with you. Hest, if you all know, makes some really cool mattresses for a lot of different vehicles. They also make some that fit specifically in some vehicles. I think they're really cool just because of how well they're made. They have all these really nice straps. The canvas that they use and the materials that they use is just really strong because you're always throwing stuff in on your vehicle. You're throwing your dog, your gear, your backpacks, all that fun stuff. So first things first, I'm gonna unbuckle this thing right here and we're gonna just roll it on out. It's actually pretty comfy, I'm not gonna lie. It's like cool too. It's like, I mean, it's been sitting in the sun for a couple hours over here when the UPS dropped it off, and like the fabric is like really cool. Like you think it'd be really hot sitting in a box for a couple hours, but I mean, it's really squishy. My head feels great. What I kind of did on the back is did like a little extra roll on it. Almost wouldn't even need to use a pillow sleeping in this thing. But this fits perfectly in an INEOS Grenadier drawer system, 30 inches wide. If you were to remove maybe your seat bottoms, you could probably get a little extra room here. But Hest, you killed it on this. All right, a couple of really cool features about the Hest is they have these like little clips on the side right here, you can see. This side is like the female side and the other side is like hooks in here as the male. These are really cool if you want to add more mattresses to each other. So if you find two sides that work in the back of your vehicle or in your tent or in your rooftop tent or anywhere you're camping, you can hook all those together like that. They also have a zipper along the entire side of it, as you can see. So you can completely unzip the entire exterior of this mattress and give it a wash, you know, dry it out in case it gets wet or anything like that. Super easy to fold up. All you're gonna do is just kind of start rolling it, applying a little bit of pressure so that it starts kind of compressing. If you bring this side completely over, grab their buckle, click it together, tighten that thing right up. Tighten her up, throw her in the back or in your storage compartment. Ready for the next adventure. You can find the Hest mattresses on solidwoodworks.com.